Smart sikit. Jarak jual kamera.
Okay, this is my first time to come over to this Mr. Storm workshop, and I'm very excited to do the technology introduced by Mr. Storm. So I want it to be installed today.
Okay, I may.
The timing is good. The timing is good. Now it's almost stable. So hopefully after I drive, it will become better. And I want to test it for a week. So I hope this technology will be good in to my car. Apa-apa surat pada JKR tak? Untuk 3 bulan punya tu dah almost nak complete kita punya sah laku. Okay, thank you very much. I just want to tell about the Storm Project Laboratory, which is he produced the so-called MagicWater, which is related to a battery water. So I just want to tell my experience. After 4 weeks, I'm using this car. After he do a treatment on my car, I feel very fantastic. I feel very fantastic on the performance of the car, and also something different has happened to my car, which is better than other Perdana. So I believe it's a good for me to use this technology produced by the Storm project, and it's so fantastic. In terms of the car performance, I repeat, it's a very good. Now, normally if I go to KL, to and fro from Malacca, I'm using 3/4 of my petrol, but now it's only half. That show the petrol consumption has been reduced from 3/4 to half. And in terms of performance of the power of this car, Perdana, is fantastic, drastic change. So I hope this project by the Storm project company can be go further to get all the Perdana car in Malaysia changed. Mean in terms of performance of the power of the car, and also the fuel consumption, which is other thing I'm not very sure, but I believe it will related to all part of the machine or engine of the car will be changed for a good. That is my experience after 4 weeks. I'm using this so-called MagicWater, which is related to the battery. So I think everybody have a problem in terms of performance car or the petrol consumption, please go to the Storm Project Laboratory, which is situated in Bukit Katil, Malacca. Thank you very much. Bye bye.